I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the 9-quart total dual air fryer. There's dual baskets with visible windows, large double 4.5 quarts each side. You have independent temperature controls, or you could synchronize them up. It has 8-in-1 functions that crisp, broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, reheats. There's a 1-year warranty with this product. So that's impressive that you get 9 quarts total. You can cook a lot of different things. Comes with 2 different little basket offsets. These go on the bottom and allow you to have a slight gap on there. So when you open this up, it has a nice oversized handle. You see that the light comes on, and these just essentially get put inside the basket so that you can have a little gap, and they have little finger openings right there so that you can put them in quite easily. When you first get the unit, you want to just clean it and with a cloth. Very simple to use. The other side comes on also. There is a window on here that you could see also when it's on, so you see what's going on when cooking is happening. It's telling you that it's open. So let's close this up. We're going to be cooking a couple different things to show the dual function of it. When you power it up, it comes up just like that, and you could hit the function right there where it dual mode, and you can see it shows the time. It defaults to 18 minutes. It'll cycle between the time and the temperature. You can vary the temperature. There's a minus button right there. There's the time, so I'm decreasing it for both. Then when it displays temperature, or you could hit the temperature button right there, then you could drop down the temperature or raise the temperature with the plus. There's also a feature right here where you could cycle through, and there's presets on there so that you could actually go through and pick the different presets. So right now it's actually on, and I could turn the light on right here. See a little light symbol there and light symbol there. And now there's a light on the bottom, and you can see that what you're cooking is easy. Now there is a shake display right there, and that's to remind you to open up and shake the food, or to rotate the food as you're doing it. So you could clearly see that you could see whatever you're cooking. You could open it up and observe how it's cooking. And the fact that you could have the synchronization of the temperatures or have them independent is up to you. But the cool thing is that you're cooking 2 different things independently. That way, if you're cooking chicken on one side that you want to have different temperature than potatoes, for instance, you can do that with this. Very versatile, and allows you to have a lot of control. And this will go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has circulating air inside there. And because it has the air blowing inside there, what's happening is it's going to cause the food to rapidly cook, and then it allows you to use less oil essentially. So that's what's great about air fryers. So I'm going to show you just a shot of the inside here so that you see what I'm talking about. So you can see the actual coils. So here is the inside right here. So you see those coils right there? Those coils are getting really hot, and then there's tungsten around them, and then there's fans right behind them, and that's what's blowing the hot air circulating around your food, accelerating the cooking. I'm going to point out that there is a right drawer and a left drawer, so keep that in mind. If you switch them, they get a little confusing, but there is a left and a right drawer on the unit. So here I'm going to be trying it. I have some stuffed peppers that have rice and cheese and ground beef. They basically have to be cooked a little bit, warmed up. Then on the right hand side, I'm just going to be re-warming up this grilled zucchini, which I already cooked in here, and these potatoes. But I cooked them earlier, so now I'm just going to reheat it up. That's the beauty of having 2 different ovens with 2 different settings, is that you can control what you're doing and have a good outcome and have high quality bake or air fry going on. So here I've got it going. You can see this one is 400 degrees for the peppers, And this one is a lower temperature. I have it set 300 degrees, and I've got the time to the default time, about 17 minutes. You can see it's counting down, and you could change that whatever you want. And you could turn on the light so that you could see. There you can see the peppers, and here is the zucchini and the potatoes. Let's just let this do its thing. So while it's been running, the shake was blinking a couple times on both sides, just reminding me to rotate or stir or shake the food. So it just finished, and I just want to show you. This is a thermal imaging camera, and you can see that it's very efficient, because if I go to the top of the unit, there's very little heat loss on the top, and on the sides of the unit there's very little heat loss. So that's important, so that the heat is going into the food that you're cooking. And here's the roasted peppers that we're cooking. Here's the potatoes and zucchini that was being warmed up that were cooked earlier. So after testing and baking, what do I think about the 9-quart dual air fryer? Nice product. Takes up very small space in your kitchen. It's very insulated, so it runs really cool, and it gives you the advantage for cooking separately. I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.